have really tight ankles and hips, so I like to try and stretch them out when I am diffusing my hair. I'm gonna show you how I do that. So here's the first one. It's the classic hamstring stretch. Just flip it upside down, stretch out the backs of my legs. It feels so good on my hamstrings, my calves, and my glutes. Second one, the low squat. Sit, knees wide. You can diffuse, or if you want to get a little more, you can actually take your elbows and push against the inside of your legs to give you a little more opening in the hips. This is one of my favorite all-time stretches. The hip flexor. After you've gotten yourself into that 90-degree bend in the front knee and the back knee, you just drop your hips towards the ground and hold for as long as you want. Hip flexor stretch. The seated half lotus. One leg comes up on top of the other leg, and then try to press the knees out as much as you can. Get all over that hair. Oh yeah. There you have it. My hair is curly, looking pretty decent. I just got some mobility in, and I'm off to teach a class, and I'm gonna be that much closer to my fitness and my strength because I'm taking the time while I'm diffusing my hair to prevent injury when I go and teach my class. Pretty awesome.